we can handle the changes made in any field of the table displayed on the wizard form screen. So here in this example, we've got the chart of accounts table from the account business objects and passed it to the wizard object tables. Also here we have the comment wizard object, and then there is a show wizard command. So now let's suppose we need to handle the changes made in this field account, and then look at how we can perform actions caused by this change. So first we need to use the wizard objects table properties macro command in order to tell the wizard macro to let us update the table. So and this parameter enable update, we should tell true. We need to use table column properties macro as well in order to tell the name of the field we want to update and then handle this event. So here and the column name parameter, let's tell account, and let's pay attention to the raise event parameter, because there is a slightly different indicator here. So if we tell true in this parameter, then the wizard will raise an event before changing the field value. But if we leave false, then this event will be raised after the value is changed. So we need to leave false in order to let the macro update this field and then handle this event. Let's set breakpoint here and the show wizard macro and run again. Now let's try to change some field value here, like this, for example. Press enter key, and as you can see, the macro execution stopped and returned this changed value. Now let's break macro execution and let's handle this event in this select case. So if we run, go back and run again and change any of these accounts, press enter key and keep running by F8 key, we'll see that macro execution enters in this select case. And now here we can analyze this changed value. And in order to get exactly the same record which has been changed, here and this wizard object we have table current row index macro command. Let's double click. So we should get the value of the current record, which is on the first page of the table 1. So the record index will be in the variable 1. And now we can use memory object tables get field value in order to get from the table the corresponding value of this record. So let's get from the table 1, from the field account, the value of the record, which record index is variable 1. let's run, return, and run again. Correct any record here, enter, and then run by F8 key. And as you can see, the changed value has been returned here. And now we can use this corrected value in other objects. For example, we can pass it to the variable 11, and we can use wizard objects, set variable results for that. So we need to change the value of the variable 11. I'm going to specify here, for example, a variable 1, which is the record index of the corrected value. Now let's run, return, and run again. Let's make some change here. Press enter, then F5 key, and you can see number 3 here in the comment field because we changed the value of this third record. But in order to see here the corrected value as well, we can concatenate variable 1 with variable 2, which is the changed value, like this. For example, let's run, and again let's change this value once again, enter, and then F5 key. And now here in the comment field you can see the corrected value and the record index as well. And we can return the changed value not only in the wizard object but also directly in the wizard table. So if we change the value in the table 1, it will be reflected in the wizard as well. So let's use memory object tables, set field value, and here in the table 1 and the record, which record index is, let's say, variable 1, and the field OA accounts ID. Let's change the value like this, for example. Now let's run, and again let's make some change here and the third record. Press enter, then F5 key, and then tab key or F5 key once again, and you can see that the value of this field is changed. So if we make any changes in this table, it will be reflected in the wizard automatically.